Just got a little lesson from my neighbor. All right, this is a little quickie here. This is my neighborhood. This is where I live. This is where I take off from. And this is going to be a ride to, believe it or not, the ocean. We're going to Black Point Marina and coming back. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a little overcast right now. I'm hoping that it gets a little sunnier by the time I get there. And I'm not wearing my helmet. Hopefully my screen is straight. I believe it is. And this is my beloved neighborhood that I'm in right now. It's pretty calm. Everybody taking care of their freaking guppy yards. Paying the leftover migrants that are legal to do their yards. We got cops in Durangos. Watering their yards in the tropics or whatever in Miami. Hopefully this is level. I believe it is. I have no idea until we check it out. Anyways, I'm on 3rd PAS 3 pedaling. I'm in the neighborhood. But once we get out here, I get onto the slightly more traffic congested street. Not too bad. I think we can stay on 3. I'll hit 5 and I can hit up to 28. What is this? All right, let's go to 28. Let's go to PAS 5. It's a girl? Nope. It's a guy. All right, we're gonna chill. We'll stay on PAS 3. Anyways, this is my neighborhood. This is where I take off. Got a car behind me. Let him go by. We're gonna be going up this street for a little bit. We get to the main street and that's where the trail is. And we're gonna be going down Black Creek Trail, if I'm correct, or Black Creek, yeah, I think it's Black Creek Trail. Black Creek Trail. All right, so we'll catch you when I get to the trail. This is all just regular houses and stuff. All right, ready? All right, Main Street, USA. This is about as much traffic as we're gonna see until we get to US 1, which is the area where we need to keep our eyes open a little bit, a little more peeled on what's around us. This area is pretty chill. So once we get to this light up here, we're going to make a left, cross over, and get to the other side. Watch these streets here, they like to pop out. Yeah, baby. For those who've never been here, this is what we call the very edge of our farmland, South Miami, edge of Kendall. There's a sign over here. It says, if you can see from here, it says entering Redland Agricultural Area. You can see that directly in front of us. So we're basically at the border. I'm going to take advantage and cross over. Wait for this guy to turn. All right, here we go. We're at the entrance of the trail, right here. We have our own little crosswalk. Maybe I can get over real quick here. Wait for this car to go by, and we're here. All right, this is the trail. This is pretty much the very beginning of the trail. And this will take us all the way to the water. Now, after we cross a few streets, but it'll take us all the way to the water. So we'll get a little bit of this at the beginning so you can see how this turns. And you notice, I don't know, a bunch of fine houses here. Some of them. And you got some dudes sitting out there. All right, I hit cruise control on the bike and we're chilling. But I'm gonna keep pedaling just to get the exercise. I may stop doing it on the way back. We're on PAS3 still, doing about 17, 16 miles an hour. And as you can see, we have little duckies. See if the sun will pop through a little bit and we get a little bit of color. But yeah, this is a lifestyle of the rich and famous, I guess. There's some pretty nice houses around here. You look to the left and to the right. Got quite a few. Look at that. A little jumping jack, a little jump trampoline. Look at that, a little bungalow. These people style around here. But there are some that are like that. They're not very well taken care of. Or at least they don't invest so much into it. And those are probably rentals. Rentals, they don't normally add so much to it because they're afraid they're just gonna destroy them. There's another little ducky. There we go. Got a little sun popping out now. Whatever this is. A mountain. Wow. I think that was horse doo-doo or something. I guess sometimes people bring their horses through here. All right, we'll keep moving along here. All right, we got a little sun peeping through. Beautiful water glare. I don't know if you see it in the camera. Don't mind me, I talk out of my ass. Well, actually out of my mouth, but anyways, check these out. Look at that. All right. He's looking for food. Look at the bird flying over there. See? I don't know what he's looking for. No, he's going to his partners. Look at these. These little dudes. Look at that. We got little duckies. Looks like they're friends too. Little duckies crossing. No. Got some more over here. We're about to reach US 1, which is really the only major street that I got to get off the trail and cross over. Check out these guys. Fishing maybe. Oh, he's walking his dog. Whoa. What do you find? We got a party going on over there. See the party? I don't know if you see it. Anyways, they keep building more and more here on US 1 in a pretty dingy area, but probably cheap property, so they keep building them. Here we are, US 1, baby. US 1. US 1. This is a so-called busway. I don't know how many people use it. Uh-oh. We got some construction going on here. We'll have to see if we can sneak around it. Órale, órale, órale. Here we gotta cross over. Alright, we're back. We just crossed over the danger zone. About to get back on the trail again. Still on PAS 3. I'm not really gonna speed through this. Well, these dual batteries could handle it with no ease, with no problem. Because this is actually about a, let's say it's about a, okay, here we go. I think it's about a 20 mile, more or less. Hello. Hi. Not too friendly. She's probably an illegal. Just kidding. Just kidding. She's having her lunch, it looks like. I think if you heard that, those were parrots. Hello, ducky. All right, there's a dude that has his, I think he lives over here on the right-hand side. His own little, yeah, there's his bike. No, he's not there. His little thing right over here, that's where he sleeps. Right there, but he's not there today. Uh-oh, police, Popo. Popo. How you guys doing? Did they block that off over there? I guess I'll find out, right? Yeah. Appreciate it. Oh, time to go. Saludos. ¿Cómo estás? Aquí, bien, bien. Oh, that's a first. I don't normally have cops hibernating at the crosswalk or here or anybody actually. It looks like he opened up the gate. It's kind of odd. I guess they had it closed at one point, which is weird.